Today I am here with a quick color spotlight. I am here to show you the Jon Renau color 39F38, also known as Roasted Chestnut. I'm not covering the style. I do have this color on the style Shelby, but we're only going to talk about the color today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm here on behalf of 𝖺EEARkiR𝖺teЛ to bring you this color spotlight. I actually reviewed this style in a comparison video with the brand new style Ava. So Jon Renau just recently launched a bunch of new styles, and Shelby here is very similar to Ava, so I thought I would do a comparison video of the two, and I did not want to muddy that up with also color because they're both in different colors. So I decided to do separate color spotlights. So this is a quick look at the color Roasted Chestnut. I will show you this color outside as well. But if you want to know more about this style, you can go check that video out. I have it linked in the description box below. Now, 𝖺EEARkiRŻteЛ is an online retailer that also has some in-person wig shops. They have a lot going on. Open box clearance, live sales every week with huge discounts and giveaways, and they've got online retail locations in the US, Canada, and the UK. They also have in-person wig shops in Canada and the US. So definitely a great place to go find yourself some new hair, and they carry all the major name brands. In addition to my review, I will also link this wig and a coupon code that will save you money on any purchase at 𝖺EEARkiR𝖺teЛ. All right, let's get to talking about Roasted Chestnut 39F38. This is a gorgeous gray. This is just kind of described as a light natural ash brown. So it's a brown base, not a black base, not a blonde base, with 75% gray in the front. So just a little bit front heavy. You can see almost like a money piece, but not super pronounced. Graduating to medium brown with 35% gray at the nape. So it does get a little tiny bit darker at the nape. I see this as a slight silvery gray. Definitely can see that it's got more of a brownish base. Not really white. I don't really see white. I don't see any pepper. It is a very beautiful brownish silvery gray. It's not rooted, so it's very consistent all the way to the top. This is made with regular synthetic fibers, so they're a little bit shiny. More so, the lighting reflects off this color a lot because I have a lot of lighting on me, and kind of normal natural lighting, it's not going to be quite that shiny. But synthetic can sometimes be shiny. If you find that you get a wig in this color and it's a little too shiny for you, you can just use dry shampoo. You can use cornstarch, you can use baby powder, and I would maybe get a puff and dab it on. Those would work really great with a color like this too. They can tend to leave a little bit of a white cast on brunettes, but that's not going to happen with this. I do have a video showing how to use baby powder to eliminate shine on a wig. You can check that one out if you would like. I'll link that below as well. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget about 𝖺EEARkiR𝖺teЛ. I'll see you soon. Here she is, 39F38. I am filming a ton of outside looks today. Perfect lighting. No glare from the sun, but bright enough that you are getting a good outdoor look at this color. Love days like this. And my days of not having to wear a coat are coming to an end. Soon it will be freezing out here. Gorgeous color, you guys. So beautiful. No rooting, so it's super natural. I just took this one out of the box. So, filming this before my review. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.